During a massive storm, when most other birds are looking for shelter, eagle use their large wings to fly above the storm. Today's disruptive marketplace is nothing less than a storm. We can conquer this storm like eagle by being at the top, that is, be world class. Hi, my name is Vikash Jain and I have been helping businesses and individuals to become world class in their industry. And today I am going to do the same. I'll be sharing how to become a world class speaker. If you have been into the business of speaking for some time, you must have realized how hard it is to get first paid speaking gig. For speakers who have got some initial success, getting regular paid speaking gig is a puzzle that they are trying to solve. Best thing about professional speaking is that there are no rules. When people with 40 years of experience are striving to get a global stage, 17-year-old Greta Thunberg have spoken at various international forums. The worst thing about professional speaking is that there are no rules. There are such poles apart recommendations, sometimes contradictory, which confuses an aspiring professional speaker what to do, what not to do. So in this game without rules, can we have a strategy, a light at the end of a tunnel, which can guide us? Yes, there is a strategy, and today I am going to share the same with you. But let me first share how I discovered this strategy. Year 2006, I joined IBM as a software engineer. I used to think that there are unknown small brands and world-known big brands, and I was working with Big Blue IBM. In 2010, I got married. After 2 months, I joined McAfee with a hike of 70%. People who are married could understand the performance pressure. McAfee acquired a small tech startup named SolidCore. So although I was working in a big brand of McAfee, but I was working in a team of world-class professionals and world-class software engineers, which broken my myth. And I discovered this strategy. Same thing helped me crack even Microsoft. But when I cracked Microsoft, I did not join it because I wanted to share this strategy with the world, because I strongly believe that this strategy can help aspiring and deserving professionals to become world-class in their industry. When I got into professional speaking, I applied the same strategy, which helped me to deliver speeches for Fortune 500 companies like Yamaha, Dell, Intel, and more for audiences as large as 1,000 plus leaders. Professional speaking industry has something for everyone. There are $100,000 speakers like Simon Sinek, $1,000,000 speakers like Tony Robbins. Even there are some minus few $1,000 speakers, which means these speakers actually pay to deliver a speech. I'm sure you don't want to become that sort of speakers. Name of this quadrant is Vikas World Class Quadrant. You might be wondering that Vikas, you are good at branding, but it's not actually me. It's my parents who named me 37 years ago. Vikas is a Sanskrit word which means development. Hence, this strategy is to help you develop yourself to become world class in your industry. Before I share the details with you, I would like you to grab a pen and paper to draw this quadrant with me so that you don't just listen to the talk, but also analyze your positioning in the marketplace as per this quadrant. There are two factors contributing in someone becoming world-class. First one being world-class performance, and in most cases, world-class performance is an outcome of world-class expertise. Hence, we put expertise on x-axis. And to be world-class, one has to be popular in world. Hence, we put popularity on y-axis. And now we get this amazing quadrant. You might be wondering, Vikas, what about speaking? A reality check. When most speakers think that conference organizers are looking for speakers, conference organizers are actually looking for experts who speak during conferences. So let's deep dive to understand the dynamics of each quadrant with reference to professional speaking. Quadrant 1. These speakers have high level of expertise and they are highly popular. They are the rock star highest paid speakers in the industry. Can you name some Q1 speakers as it comes to your mind in the comment box below? Yes, you are getting it right. Quadrant 2. These speakers are having average level of expertise, but they are also very popular thanks to their marketing team. They are also booked frequently during the conferences. Only thing is, When you listen to these speakers for the first time live on stage, you may left wondering that why this speaker is so famous. Have you felt it earlier? Quadrant 3. People with average level of expertise and with or without any popularity. This is the quadrant any speaker begin their journey, but the worst quadrant to stay for long. And here comes the magic quadrant. That is quadrant 4. People with high level of expertise with average popularity. Wait, Vikas, you are recommending us a quadrant which is average on popularity? Yes, I am recommending you the same. Maria Franzoni from London Speaker Bureau did a study and found that most of the speakers who are booked during these conferences are usually these unknown speakers. But here is the catch. These speakers are not known to everyone, but they are known to the right audience, that is, conference organizers. Now to understand why I consider Q4 as the star and magic quadrant, you need to understand what do I mean by world-class expertise and world-class popularity. Most aspiring speakers think that their expertise is based on their industry experience. But world-class expertise could mean something else. In the game of chess, as per Elo rating system, somebody with a score less than 1200 is considered novice, whereas world-class professionals are having a score of 2700 plus. Definitely this is based on some complex calculation, but this clearly conveys one thing, that expertise is not just years of experience. I have devised this simple yet effective world-class scoring system. As you can see on screen, 5 levels with scores to reach world-class expertise. I would like you to self-assess yourself as I share these levels based on your keynote topic. Level 1 is beginner who have just started with a score of 0 to 20. Level 2 is a practitioner who has some industry experience with a score of 20 to 40. Level 3 is an expert who have got subject matter expertise with a score of 40 to 60. Level 4 is for people who have achieved mastery in their domain, that is 60 to 80. And level 5 is for people who are genius in their domain, that is 80 to 100. What is your world-class expertise score? Can you share your world-class expertise score in the comment box below? Yes, so now you have started understanding the world-class scoring system. So let's move to world-class popularity. Being world-class is different from being world-known. If someone is looking for a world-class surgeon, they may not make a choice solely based on number of YouTube or Facebook followers. For world-class professionals, world-class popularity is defined differently. And let's have a look at that. These are 5 levels with scores to reach your world-class popularity level. And again, I want you to self-assess yourself to find where you are positioned right now. Level 1, someone knows, usually their friends and relatives, with a score of 0 to 20. Level 2, client knows, with some positive feedback with a score of 20 to 40. Level 3, industry knows, especially at the city level with a score of 40 to 60. Level 4, media and PR knows with a score of 60 to 80. And level 5, world knows with a score of 80 to 100. Can I have your world-class popularity score? You can share again in the comment box below. Yes, you are making a good progress in understanding this quadrant. If you look closely, expertise is what you know and popularity is what you are known for. So let's calculate your world-class score. You have your world-class expertise score, you have your world-class popularity score, you add them up and you find your world-class score. Can I have your world-class score in the comment box below? Thank you very much. So far, we have discussed why being world-class can be a game changer for you. We also discussed Vikas world-class quadrant and world-class scoring system. Let me think what might be running in your mind. Do you want to know how to increase these scores? Okay, let me share with you. These are the 5 steps to improve your world-class expertise score. And the first one being mindset. And this is the most difficult one because it requires working on self-limiting beliefs. In speaking community, you must have heard discussion about content versus marketing. If you closely look at this quadrant, you can easily see Q2 people value marketing more and Q4 people value content and expertise more. Also, this is a personal choice. There is nothing right and wrong. While looking at this quadrant, it may seem that anyone can reach Q1 whether they are from Q2, Q3 or Q4 as it is just one step away. But in reality, what I found out that moving from Q2 to Q1 is quite difficult because the expertise mindset required in Q1 is not nurtured well during your time in Q2. Whereas if you look at Q4, the expertise mindset is already set there. Hence, with the experience of 2 to 3 years, one can transition from Q4 to Q1 easily. Step 2, developing expertise. Malcolm Gladwell in his book Outliers talked about 10,000 rules of developing expertise. Anders Ericsson in his book Peak talks about deliberate practice. Deliberate practice is different from casual practice. For a speaker, deliberate practice could mean mastering a 30-minute speech with content and delivery like a TED Talk. I have developed a detailed world-class expertise development framework, which you can find from my website, and I'll share the link in the end. Step 3, mentor. If you look at the quadrant, you will find out that you can use the same quadrant to find mentors too. And Q1 and Q4 mentors value people who comes with learning mindset as compared to people asking for business tips. And that's how I found a great mentor myself. I watched How to Become a Global Speaker video on YouTube by Frederick Herren. I wrote him a mail that how can I learn more from you? He replied to watch 2 other videos, which I did, and replied, how can I learn more from you? He asked me to refer to professionalspeaking.com, which I did and read all 108 blogs in next 3 days and replied, how can I learn more from you? He suggested me to join Singapore PSA as member and attend the convention, which I did. And that's how I found a great mentor in Frederick Herren. During the same summit, I met Kiruba and Praveen, co-founded PSA India, chaired previous Professional Speaker Summit PSS 2020. Let me ask you a question. What are you actually doing to find great mentor? And if your mentor recommend you to read a book or watch some videos, do you do the same? Step 4 is networking. These people network with like-minded people like Professional Speakers Association and other communities. Level 5, tech and innovation. You must remember that Tony Robbins did a grand virtual event, but you must notice that step 5 is not good enough unless you have foundation of step 1 and step 2, that is world-class mindset and world-class expertise. Let's talk about 3 steps to improve world-class popularity. Step 1, known for problem solving as it is the most organic form of marketing. Step 2, known for open heart sharing. People with expertise mindset do open heart sharing, and that's how they write their books and create content. Whereas people with average expertise mindset usually tend to keep information to themselves as it is their key for survival. Step 3, known for being featured in top publications, as top publications are always looking for world-class experts. When my editorial was published in Dainik Bhaskar, a national newspaper in India, immediately I was booked for a one-day workshop by a client who read that editorial. Do you want to maximize the benefits from world-class quadrants? You need to re-engineer these 4 concepts. First one being learning. If learning is like water, learning of world-class expert is huge like iceberg, whereas learning of others is like ice cube. Though the subject is same, but depth and scope really matters. Education. When world-class experts talks about education, they actually mean real education, which is a constant pursuit of developing oneself. This statue in famous Akshardham temple in India is clearly conveying the same thing. Third, content. When shallow learners are looking for easy content, world-class experts look to develop capabilities to understand these complex concepts easily. 4. Self-taught. 5,000 years ago in great India, as per book Mahabharata, there was a great archer named Arjun who studied under Guru Dronacharya, the best teacher at that time. Tribal boy Eklavya could not study in same school because he was not from royal family. So he made a statue of Guru Dronacharya and started learning from the statue. As per the history, he also mastered the art of archery, even considered better than Arjun. In today's world of developing expertise, you can develop expertise by leveraging Eklavyaism, which means by being self-taught. And if you look at most of the success stories, you will find the same thing happening again and again. You might be thinking that this quadrant is applicable only for speakers. That's not true. Vikas World Class Quadrant is equally applicable for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs in Q1 and Q4 value the quality of the product and consider it as the best form of marketing. Manu Kumar Jain, country head of Xiaomi India, in his TED Talk, Marketing Without Advertising, talks about that many successful entrepreneurs choose to head the engineering to improve the quality of the product while delegating the organizational leadership to someone else. Hence, you can leverage this quadrant even as an entrepreneur. Do you want to know the final secret to become world-class? Let me tell you. Final secret to becoming world-class is that people who think that they become world-class by achieving something are not actually world-class, because being world-class is not a destination, but it is a journey. For example, genius people are genius in others' mind, but in their own mind, they are always striving to improve themselves and become better. When a world-class person say, I'm a world-class, they actually mean they choose to join this constant pursuit of lifelong learning and developing themselves. Wherever you are in your journey of professional speaking, you can leverage this quadrant to improve your business. This is definitely not an overnight success plan, but a deliberate practice of 3 to 4 years, which can yield massive results. As someone said, that we expect too much from an year, but too less from 10 years. I can assure you that there are many other dynamics and forces which would come to your side when you choose to follow the Q4 approach. So are you ready to join me in this journey of becoming world-class? This affirmation has always been a guiding principle in my life, and you can also choose to adopt the same. I am a world-class speaker. And before I go on stage, I always say to myself, I am going to deliver a world-class speech today. With the permission of host, you can unmute yourself and shout out with me, I am a world-class speaker. Let's try again. I am a world-class speaker. One more time with double the energy. I am a world-class speaker.